हेलो ऑल, सो माय नेम इज संचिता एंड आई एम फ्रॉम अराइज एकेडमी। सो जैसे कि हमने टेंसेस टॉपिक चालू किया है, उसमें से हमने प्रेजेंट टेंस देखा एंड नाउ वी आर ऑन द पास्ट टेंस। सो पास्ट टेंस में से भी हमने सिंपल पास्ट देखा पहले एंड पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस देखा। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। तो आज हम देखने वाले पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। तो पहले समझते हैं कि पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस क्या है, उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, and then how to form positive, negative, and also questions of this tense, and also along with that कुछ examples भी उसके साथ practice करेंगे. So let's understand what is past perfect tense. तो past perfect tense describes an action completed at a certain period in the past. Action जो कि complete हो चुका है at a certain period in the past. Okay. So जो भी action जो है जो हमारी complete हो गई है past में, उसे बोलेंगे past perfect tense. Now what is the structure of the past perfect tense? So subject plus helping verb had plus past participle plus object. Past participle यानी जो verb का past form of the verb. Okay, subject plus had plus past participle plus object. Now look at the examples of positive sentence. See, if you wanted to make a positive sentence using the subjects I, subject I, and then the helping verb had, and then the past participle. Okay, if you wanted to add any object to that, you can add. So I had worked, you had worked, we had worked, they had worked, he had worked, she had worked, it had worked. Okay, now come to the negative. Subject same I, and then had not worked. Can we write into contraction? Is that correct? Yes, it's correct. So I had not worked or I hadn't worked. Then you had not worked, or you can also say you hadn't worked. We had not worked. They had not worked. He had not worked. She had not worked, and it had not work. So basically what are we doing here? जो हमारा helping verb होता है, helping verb के आगे यानी helping verb के बाद जो है हम not add कर रहे हैं. Okay, so helping verb के बाद यानी had के बाद हम not add कर रहे हैं, and then the past participle. Okay, the structure remains the same. Subject plus क्या है हमारा? Helping verb had plus past form of the verb and object. Okay, the structure is remaining same. For negative, if you wanted to make negative sentence, structure हमारा same रहेगा, बस helping verb के बाद हमें लगाना है not, and then the past form of the verb, and then the object. Okay, now see, come to questions. Like if you wanted to make questions of this tense, सी, तो पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब आता है ना, सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब जो है अपनी जगह बदल लेता है. सो पहले आता है वर्ब एंड देन आता है सब्जेक्ट एंड देन द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म. ओके, सी हैड, दैट इज आवर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. वर्ब पहले आया, उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट एंड देन द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. सो हैड आई वर्कड, क्वेश्चन मार्क. हैड यू वर्कड, हैड वी वर्कड, हैड दे वर्कड, हैड ही वर्कड, हैड शी वर्कड, and had it worked. So okay, I hope this is clear. Positive के लिए structure क्या होगा, how to make positive sentences, then negative के लिए structure क्या है, and then how to make negative sentence इस tense का, and also how to frame questions. Okay, so yes, अभी कुछ example solve करेंगे और detail में समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay, so let's look at the examples and try to solve them from the options given and according to the structure, with the help of the structure. So I was sure that I had dashed the place before. So from the options we have to select the correct option, and according to the structure we have to use the helping verb had and the past form of the verb. So I was sure that I had, it will be seen, saw or seen है ना. सी का जो है पास्ट फॉर्म हमें लेना है. सो आई वॉज श्योर दैट आई हैड सीन. सो ऑप्शन फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हैड सीन. आई वॉज श्योर दैट आई हैड सीन द प्लेस बिफोर. कम टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. व्हेन आई अराइव्ड एट द एयरपोर्ट माई फ्लाइट डैश. तो हैज आएगा या हैड आएगा? डेफिनेटली अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर हमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड ही लेना है. सो either it will be no, has and has, so only one option is left, that is had. So when I arrived at the airport my flight had already left. Okay, so if you wanted to solve more examples, at the end of the video we will give you few examples to solve. You can pause the video and you can try to solve those examples. You can comment if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching the video.